Good morning, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your NBC3 CNY Central First Alert forecast. And as we look ahead today, we've already dealt with some rain and freezing rain this morning. A lot of that is going to come to an end late morning. And then for a while midday, wouldn't be surprised some breaks of sun come out. And then after 3 o'clock, we start clouding things over again. There'll be some new rain showers probably towards the ride home from work and dinner time. All the while, it's our mildest day so far this month. We actually haven't hit 40 this month, and we should easily get above 40, looking for a high of 45. Now, you're going to notice a southerly breeze today. That wind turns to the west-southwest tonight, bringing in some slightly cooler air. And some of us will have a bit of snow tonight. Slick and slippery this morning. Either way, whether you actually have freezing rain like we have over the Mohawk Valley in Oneida County and Herkimer County and Lowville and into Lewis County, that's due to actual freezing rain. In other words, rain that falls, the temperature is below freezing at the surface, so you get ice to form. But even in areas like Syracuse, now temperatures are well above freezing in Syracuse, but you still have parking lots and driveways and sidewalks that actually have that crusty ice and snow that's been compressed and compact from the storm on Friday. You put water on top of that, eventually it'll melt. But before it does, water on top of ice, last time I checked, that's what a Zamboni does, right? It gets slippery, so it'll be a little slick and slippery this morning. Brisk breeze today increases tonight, and it will be flaky a bit. How much? We'll tell you that in a second. Watching Wednesday night into Thursday morning and again on Saturday for storms. Early indications are Wednesday night and Thursday morning system will just miss us to the south. And Saturday, of course, heck, it's only Monday morning. We're talking about a system on Saturday. We'll probably have some snow way too early to determine how much we're going to get out of this. So like I mentioned for the reasons before, we're a little icy and a little slippery this morning. Precipitation should be just about over with either at 10 or 11 at the latest. And then during the middle of the day, it's dry. Clouds, I wouldn't be surprised for some intervals of sun. And as we've mentioned, it's our first day of 40 plus in February. By the end of the afternoon, we're talking 4, 5, 6, dinner time, ride home from work, that kind of time. New clouds are going to be increasing and a lot of showers will come through. Again, these are rain showers. That's a cold front coming through. It gets windy. It's already breezy today, but the winds will increase from the southwest and west overnight. And you notice this kind of spray of blue. You may have noticed that a lot of that blue is most persistent and consistent east of Lake Ontario. With borderline temperatures, it's going to be tough to get accumulations for lowest elevations, Syracuse and Ithaca. However, what we're going to do is look at the time period for snowfall. This is from 7 p.m. tonight, 7 a.m. tomorrow. Most of our area is a trace to an inch. Well, what's a trace? If you don't know, a trace means snow falls but doesn't stick. That does include a coating, though, since it's trace to an inch, so some spots will have a coating to an inch. Best chances in the immediate central and southern New York area to get an inch or more would be Fabius, Pompey, Tully, Preble, Georgetown, maybe Casanova and Fenner. You go north of Syracuse, and I think many areas north of Route 31, across most of Oswego and northern Oneida County, southern Jefferson and much of Lewis County and northern Herkimer County should have 1, 2, or 3 inches, with the best chance of more than 3 inches, the northern areas of the Tug Hill. So that takes care of snowfall tonight. How about Tuesday? Well, it's still brisk and breezy, and it's still kind of flaky, but most of this is flurries and light snow showers. Windy, certainly. Temperature's going to hold in the 30s on Tuesday. Tuesday night into Wednesday, there's still a northwest wind, so still some leftover flurries and light snow showers to deal with. That should taper off after Wednesday morning. So I think Wednesday starts with clouds and flurries, and then a mix of sun and clouds. Now, remember I'd said that there's a chance for some snow Wednesday night and Thursday morning. That's from this southern slider. The best chance of snow is going to be probably the 88 corridor, but it's way too early to tell. We'll keep you posted. Here's a look at your sunshine forecast. Your precipitation probability is right there, and the 7-day forecast. So you could find more information on this on our website. It's at cnycentral.com.